Greetings, this is HEKTATTOO, and I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple Michilada. Chamoy, clamato juice, tahini, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, tapatio, soy sauce, orange, I like pepper, pineapple since it is a pineapple Michilada, pineapple session IPA by Four Sons, and a mason jar because everything looks cooler in a mason jar. Let's cut these limes in half. 2 should be sufficient. On to the orange. Cut that bad boy in half, and also let's just go ahead and quarter it. Pineapple. First things first, we gotta rim that bad boy. Rim. Tapatio, tahini. You can either do half or a quarter of a lime, so let's get that in there. And then I'll usually do half or also a quarter of an orange. I would probably add about a tablespoon of chamoy, so let's eyeball this. That's a couple of, yeah, it looks about right. Couple, 2, 3, 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. I would do soy sauce, maybe just a couple of drizzles. You don't want it too salty. There you go. Pepper, I might want to take the cap off, and then check this out. Now, how spicy do you want it? I like it kind of extra spicy, so 1, 2, 3, 8, 4, 10, 12, 13, 14. Pineapple Session IPA, Four Sons, once again. This is about 12 ounces of beer into the mix. All right, so that's 12 ounces of beer. We're gonna add about 4 ounces of clamato. Now, a little tahini on that pineapple. Put that bad boy right there. There is the garnish. Straw. Now, let's taste this bad boy. Ooh, that's good. Gotta get my cameraman to try this. That's all I like to do. Oh, but heat. Woo! And that's how I make my pineapple Michilada with Four Sons Pineapple Session IPA. It's called Vacation. Scoop it up.